What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping. We got another unboxing video. As you can see, we have the Caliber Professional Focus Clipper. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all guys. I don't know if this is new. I don't know if it's been out for a while. I should have did a little bit of research on it. But long story short, Caliber reached out to me on Instagram, asked me if I would do a review for one of their clippers. And I said, you know what? Send that thing my way. Let's go ahead and do it. But before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below, share with some of your friends, you know, all that good stuff. But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and get into unboxing this new Caliber Focus Clipper. All right, guys, so like I was saying, we have the Caliber Focus here. Once again, I'm not 100% sure how new this clipper is. They just reached out to me on Instagram last week, or maybe even 2 weeks ago, asking me if I would do a review on one of their tools, and I said, yeah, go ahead and send it my way. Now, I have used a Caliber tool in the past, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't remember what the name of that tool was. However, it was an all-black clipper, and I'll probably put the name on the screen for y'all once I actually figure out what it was, but it was an all-black clipper. It had a magnetic motor in it. It was a really good tool. I had used it for a while, and it was, I don't wanna say it was my go-to, but I had it on my station for a good minute, and I used it in some of my tutorials, maybe like 2-3 years ago, right? But I haven't used anything since then. But we're gonna go ahead and get into unboxing this clipper, and then I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Y'all know how I'm gonna do it, man. I'm gonna have some clips of me using this actual clipper in this video. So once you see the box, as you can see, it's a nice looking box. We have some things on the side. It says brushless motor technology, dual DLC blade, LCD digital display. We got a lithium ion battery with 150 minutes of runtime, USB-C, all that good stuff. So the Caliber Focus, featuring a quiet brushless motor with 7,500 SPMs for greater power, speed, and precision. Stay in control with the LCD display, presenting the percentage of battery remaining. Double black diamond DLC carbon fade blade stays cooler, rust-free, and sharper longer. USB-C cord and magnetic 8 guards for cutting grades, the 0.5 all the way up to the 6. Crafted with a metal bottom casing with high-quality polyamide. Is that how you say that? Polyamide? Polyamide, I don't know how to say that, but polyamide, fade-proof top cover, the ability to personalize the clipper with 2 additional lids, and then the adapter. But y'all check out this box once again. Let's go ahead and get into opening the Caliber Focus. So we're gonna open this thing up, and as you open it, as you can see, this is how the clipper sits in the box. So upon opening it, it tells you everything that comes in here. Right here we have everything that it comes, it says right here, so you really ain't got to take everything out. But nonetheless, we get 8 combs, we get a USB-C cord, an instruction manual, a premium brush, a bottle of oil, an adapter, and a screwdriver. So nonetheless, I'm gonna get this clipper out of here before we do anything else. As you can see, here is the caliber focus. We got a click lever on the clipper. You know I am a fan of click levers. Here is the blade that it comes with. They said it is a fade blade, so check it out. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that is the fade blade. Dual DLC blades, meaning the top blade, the steel blade is DLC, and so is the cutting blade. We have the on and off switch on the side. We have the USB-C charging port at the bottom, and then when you turn it on, as y'all can hear, we have a screen that says caliber right here, and then it shows how much percentage of the battery you have left. But check it out, man. That's how the motor sounds when this thing is on. I don't think it's too loud. Some people might say it is due to the mic and whatnot, but I don't think it's too loud. But let's go ahead and turn it off. And looking at it, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it kind of reminds me a little bit of the Instinct X clipper. Maybe not as big, but pretty similar to it, at least, you know, just straight looking at it straight out of the box. Obviously a little different. We have a screen here. The button is a little different, and I don't think it's as big, but just taking it out the box, that's exactly what I thought it kind of looked like was the Instinct X from Stylecraft and Gamma. I'm not saying that it's the same clipper. I'm just saying y'all what it looked like to me. But check it out, man. Once again, honestly, I thought the clipper was going to be a little bigger. It's not huge. It's not a big bulky clipper, so that can be good for those who don't like bigger and bulkier clippers. But as you can see, we do got the caliber C, the branding right there, and then once you turn the thing on, we have caliber right here also. But that's the clipper. Let's go ahead and continue looking at what comes in the box. So we do get a nice orange lid. If you like orange, I think that's a pretty dope colorway. And then we get an all black lid, so you can put either one of these lids on the clipper and it'll look different, right? It'll look like a brand new clipper depending on what lid you actually put on the clipper. We also get a charging dock. Let's take the charging dock out. Charging dock with the word caliber right here. I don't know if y'all can see that because it's all blacked out, but we do have that in there. But we do have the all black, blacked out caliber charging dock. It fits in there pretty good. We don't have, oh yeah, we got these little non-slip things at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see that because like I said, it is nice and blacked out. But we got a small charging dock, which I'm not mad at, you know what I'm saying? I'm glad that it's not such a big charging dock because you really don't need a super big charging dock, right? But nonetheless, man, we got that. Let's go ahead and take this out of here and show y'all some of the other accessories. So as you can see, we do get some guards. So as I said earlier, it's the 0 guard all the way to the 6 guard. So I'm really not gonna take them out. They feel pretty good. They kind of look like the wall guards. They are single magnetic guards, as y'all can see. But to be 100% honest with y'all, I did not even use those guards. You know, I like to keep my things in unison. I like to keep my blueprint the same, so I really didn't switch up the guards. We get the manual that, you know, I ain't even gonna look at. And then we also get a box that says accessories. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And then what we get in here is, we get the USB-C cord, we get the oil, we get the charging brick, we get a screwdriver, we get some screws in case you lose some screws. You know, we always losing screws. And then we get the premium brush that they were talking about. All right, so now that we got everything out the box, we're gonna go ahead and move on to talking about the actual performance of this clipper. So check it out, man. Before we actually jump straight into that, let's just take another look at this clipper. Once again, it's a nice, sleek looking clipper. We do have a fade blade on there, dual DLC blades on there, on and off switch on the side. A nice sounding motor in there, at least in my opinion, and we do got 37% left power. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but we got 37% left because your boy has been using it for a couple days, right? But all in all, man, I gotta say that this clipper does perform well. I know a lot of people think that certain clippers are just gonna perform so much greater than other clippers. And I'm not saying that there aren't clippers that are better than other ones. All I'm saying is a lot of the new clippers nowadays that have been coming out, they're gonna perform good. They're gonna be performing top tier. They got the best technology out now, great blades. So a lot of them are gonna perform well. It really just boils down to preference. So in all honesty, man, I really enjoyed using this, and I think that it performed well. When it came to debulking, it gets the job done. It debulks. I didn't have this thing stall out on me. I didn't have it snag any of the hair or pull any of the hair. It debulked the way a clipper should debulk. When it came to fading, I just kept my same blueprint intact, right? I keep my same blueprint no matter what clipper I'm using, and I got the job done with this clipper. I also detailed with this clipper, and it was fairly easy for me to detail. Now, mind y'all, I did use the same guards that I've been using, my Babyliss premium guards. Those are just my favorite guards, so those are the ones that I like to use on all my clippers, and those guards with this clipper really worked well. Like I said, all in all, guys, this thing works good. I do like the motor on it. I also like that the vibration isn't too hard on the clipper. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not using it and it's not bothering your hand. It's a nice soft vibration on there. The click lever, in my opinion, could have been a little more fluid. Like, I feel like it kind of gets stuck, you know, before having to click it, but I could probably just unscrew that screw a little bit if I wanted to and probably get better performance out of, you know, the click lever, right? But all in all, guys, once again, I would say that this clipper is a good tool. Now, once again, like I said earlier, it really boils down to preference. It really boils down to what brand you want to use, what clipper you want to use. But here in 2024, going into 2025, a lot of the tools that come out, they're good tools. I haven't had a bad tool in my hand this year yet. I have had some clippers better than other ones, but I haven't had a bad one in my hand yet. And the same thing goes for this Caliber Focus clipper. All in all, great tool. Really enjoyed using it. Really like the blade on it. The blade does stay cool for the majority of the haircut. I really didn't have that issue with the clipper getting hot or the blade getting hot. So that is obviously a plus, right? And I like the size of it. Some people will like bigger clippers. Some people may even like smaller clippers. But to me, this thing is just like a little bit bigger than the Instinct, and it kind of, you know, resembles it, right? Like earlier I said it resembles the Instinct X, and it does, but to me this is like their version of the Instinct / Instinct X, you know? Not saying that they're trying to copy, I'm just saying like this is kind of like what, it kind of matches up to that clipper, right? Like not 100%, but it's pretty close to it, and all in all, you can still get the job done with this clipper. Now, I don't have a promo code with Caliber. Like I said, I didn't get one with them. They just asked me if I wanted to do a video, and I said, sure, send it my way. And like I said in some of my videos before, like, this is what I do. Like, I do reviews for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So whether it's a company that rocks with me, whether it's a big brand company or a small brand company, I'm gonna do the reviews because I feel that it's my duty as a YouTube barber, as a reviewer, to do the reviews. That way y'all know what y'all wanna buy. So y'all can make your own opinion and get your own opinion based off of what y'all seen in this video and what I'm saying. I don't know if Forward Barber Supply even has this tool, but if they do, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10 on that website. Once again, not 100% sure if they have it, but I know Caliber has this clipper in stock. Don't know the website name. I totally apologize, but I will put the website on the screen and in the description. So if y'all want to purchase this, and I will put the price on the screen also. But if y'all do want to purchase this, y'all can go to that website and purchase it. But once again, guys, all in all, it is a good tool. You can get the job done with just this tool. You don't need any other tool except for a trimmer and a shaver, right? But other than that, I think this thing works great. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.